Alright folks, in this video I'll show you how to quickly set up your Hermes Agent on a brand new MacBook. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to hermes-agent.newsresearch.com, copy this line, open up terminal, paste that, and what it's doing is it's installing the packages and dependencies for your Hermes Agent to get set up locally on Mac OS. And here you need to do a bit of reading because usually on a brand new device, you need some prerequisite installs, otherwise it will just say command not found. So something like, if we now move on to Hermes setup right here, you'll see that it says command not found. So if that happens, we'll need to read from the top to see what is missing. So the first one, it's saying no developer tools were found requesting install. So we need to install these developer tools. So run this command line right here, Xcode -select spacebar -- install. So if you see this message, install requested for command line developer tools, we'll need to check in system settings if the command line tools is waiting for there to be installed. So head on over to settings, go to software update, and right here you'll see command line tools for Xcode 26.4. Update this one now, agree, and wait for that to load. Oh my god, this is gonna take about 45 minutes here, so I'll let you know once this, oh never mind, 2 minutes. Okay, so we already see that it's properly installed in the library developer directory. So now we can run this one again, so installation again, and there we go. So you can see it's installing the rest of the packages that did not get installed because of the missing command line tools that we didn't have earlier. Okay, so usually this process takes about 2 to 3 minutes for everything to get set up. So you don't want to you don't want to type anything here. You just want to get it, you just want to load. Now while this is loading in the background, I do have to say, if you're going for the local setup route for your Hermes Agent, this can be a big pain because you literally have to build everything from scratch. Your skills, your workflows, your file organizations. For example, my research skill took weeks to refine. But to turn those research notes into a presentation or a monthly summary report is a whole different pipeline. So if you're looking for an all-in-one approach where everything is already set up for you but made even better, check out Skywork.ai, who is the sponsor of today's video. So Skywork.ai is a zero config cloud command center. The whole point of Skywork is you just give it a task or you give it a goal, and it can run in the cloud without having to wrestle with a bunch of setup, servers, or separate tools. For example, for this prompt, research the latest MIMO V2.5 series, make a presentation about it, and put a 5-second video animation on the first slide of the presentation. This in on itself needs to be done separately for your local Hermes Agent, or even if you're running on VPS. But here, you can just tell it what you want, and it turns it into one unified workspace where chat, agent execution, and deliverables all happen in the same place. So instead of bouncing between 5 different agents, you just hand it a goal and let it work in the background. Wow, so there you go. The first slide of the presentation has that video animation in the background. And here is the meat of the video, which contains the information of the latest MIMO V2.5 model. So really amazing stuff here. Creating all of this on your Hermes Agent would take a very long time, but here, as you can see, it's just done with one prompt. So if you want to check it out, I highly recommend it. You can in fact use Skywork for free as part of the login credits that you'll get once you make an account. And if you want to subscribe for their annual tier for a 20% off, use our code in the description and pinned comments down below. Now back to the Hermes setup video. Okay, so once that's done, now it's time to set up Hermes. So you can either go for quick setup or full setup. It's recommended to go quick setup first, because that way you'll be able to customize bit by bit later on. And it's much more convenient to go for this method. So go quick setup here. So it's starting up the setup wizard. And here is the fun part. So you get to choose which API depending on which coding plan you have. So we do have the Kimi plan, and we want to try out the Kimi K2.6. So we're going for the Kimi coding plan. Remember to go for this one. If you're not on China, this applies to Minimax as well. You want to go for the international one, which is this one. Okay, but if it says China, if you're in China, then you go for the China one. So we go for Kimi here and paste the API key here to get it set up. Okay, so now we just select the default model. So Kimi 2.6 just came out. We want to go for that one. So here you can set it up with your Telegram or your Discord, but since we're going to be doing it on local, we're going to just go directly to the TUI. So launch Hermes Agent Chat now. Yes. Okay, so it loaded up the Hermes TUI, but I noticed at the bottom here there are some errors here where I'm not able to chat in terminal, so I'm just going to terminate this. Open a new one and go Hermes. There we go. So if that happens, you can just terminate the current session, open a new one, run Hermes, and then you can chat with it. So hi, how are you? Okay, and if you get it to respond, then the setup is complete. There we go. All right, so that's it for this video guide on how to set up Hermes Agent on your MacBook, on your brand new MacBook. This is the local macOS setup. I hope this video has found it helpful for you. If you have any questions, let us know. We'll be happy to help. My name is Ron, shining out.